Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Once Human. To log into Once Human, first of all, download and install the Once Human game on your Android or iOS devices, and then make sure to allow necessary permissions, such as notification, and you'll land in this main screen. To log into Once Human, you can go ahead and choose the login method you want. For example, you can choose the NetEase Game login option, Google, Facebook, and other login options displayed in the page. You can also continue playing the game as a guest by selecting the guest option. I'm just gonna tap on the NetEase Game option over here. Once you do that, go ahead and enter your email or your username followed by your password in the respective text boxes. If you don't have a NetEase Games account yet, you can tap on Register at the bottom. If you do, you can type in your email and then your password to log into NetEase account. Finally, after you are done, click on the Login button to log in to your Once Human account with NetEase Games. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your account. Now tap on Enter a Game and you will then be able to start the game right away. You can also skip the cutscene by tapping Skip Cutscene at the top right and click Confirm, and there you have it. That's how you easily log into your Once Human game on your Android. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.